Have you ever felt lost in the noise of everyday life? Like you're just going through the motions, but your heart is somewhere else? Sometimes the weight of our decisions pulls us down, and we forget what it means to live with intention. We rush, we please, we conform, while our true selves quietly fade. But imagine a moment, a gentle pause. What if you could rebuild your life, one small intention at a time? Start by asking yourself, what truly matters to me? Embrace the silence and let your heart speak. In these quiet moments, you'll find clarity blossoming within. Reclaim your power step by step. If this helped you in any way, subscribe for more daily 60-second resets for self-discovery.